Atongoria ngwatano ya Azimio-OKA na Eugene Wamalwa orĩngĩ maugĩte thirikari nĩ ĩracokia thutha ũkinyanĩrie wa mendekithia ma riboti ya NADCO na njĩra ya gũtũma andũ matware macira igoti-inĩ makĩaria marĩ mwena wa Diani thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Kwale. Atongoria maugĩte atĩ thirikari ĩna mũcoro wa kwamũra makomishona erũ a IEBC ĩtegũkuruhania mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro. Kalonzo nĩ orĩtie President William Ruto na Raila Odinga maigĩrĩre na manine macira ma gũtetia riboti ĩno, kwaga ũguo orie arũmĩrĩri ake macoke mĩrũrũngano-inĩ na itanya rĩa kũũria thirikari ĩcokie thĩ thogora wa mũtũrĩre.
Bwana Mwapishi catch up na sisi na bado kuna nafasi ya kuonyesha kwa mara ya kwanza kuna nia njema ya kujaribu kutekeleza kikamilifu makubaliano ya National Dialogue Committee bila mtu yeyote kujaribu kuleta uhasama huko katikati. So hiyo ni juu ya NADCO. Waweza kidhubutu kuweka makamishna wao fanya nini, na ndio mimi jana nikasema sasa ni jukumu la wale ambao waliteua kamati ya NADCO, hasa ndugu Raila Amolo Odinga na mwenzake Rais William Ruto. Wao wajitokeze, watoe mwelekeo bila kusita, kwa sababu tutaona kama walitutumia vibaya wasipofanya hivyo.
I always believed that when our colleagues came to Bomas, they did not come with clean hands to the dialogue table. They came with dangerous cards hidden under the table. And I believe they have started playing those dangerous cards in Parliament through delay and in courts through derailment that is now happening. They did not have goodwill at the beginning of this process. In fact, they did not have goodwill during this process. And I must congratulate our team leader, Kalonzo Musyoka. He's a very patient man. He's a diplomat. And to South Sudan and across the world, he is a renowned diplomat. He was very patient for the sake of this country. But if those efforts are going to be thrown out through this nefarious scheme by the Kenya Kwanza government, then they better be prepared for the consequences.